We are bell ringing a JCPenney for Salvation Army today. First order of business is we need to layer up because I live in Illinois and it's cold. Which technically that couldn't be an excuse because recently it's been really warm, but today it's cold. So I'm putting 2 pairs of socks on. A pair of normal socks and then fuzzy socks. Cute. It's a concerning place for you guys. Like No, my closet is filled with different posters and stuff. I'm also on my tippy toes right now. Anyway, next we have the Santa hat up. I'm wearing the same one I wore yesterday. Joby took my other one yet again. But it's okay because this one's cute too, so it works. Also, I really hope you guys liked yesterday's video because I loved it and it was so much fun to edit. I think it was just a fun twist on things, so I hope you guys liked it. Okay, now more layering. I was just informed I have to put another pair of pants on. I'm gonna look stupid, but whatever. My feet are not going to be able to move in these shoes. Maybe I should untie them and retie them. Oh. Yep, definitely cannot move my toes right now.
You guys are on the board.
Yeah, it's famous.
Nice drawing. You're a mean one. Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as fuzzy as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch. You're that banana with the greasy black heel. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You have garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5 foot. You're a rider, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of single thoughts. Your heart's a dead tomato, what's full of purple spots, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-day toast sandwich with our
happening.
The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote, stink, stink, stunk.
Good job.
Lord Jesus, asleep on the hay.
The cattle are lowing, the baby awake. The
little Lord Jesus, no crying he makes.
right
Cradle tune for me to smile.
eyes of those will find you.
Christmas, my true love said to me.
Whoa.
3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love said to me,
5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love said to me, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love said to me 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
oh, my favorite
On that 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Like Christmas, toys of every store.
Hello everyone, I'm chilling in bed right now. I'm also dog sitting for the weekend. Pray for me. He won't stop crying right now. And that one. Archie! That one literally isn't even a dog though. He just sits there and stares at you. He just sits in his bed and stares. What? Lay down in your bed. Now he's walking around. Yeah, now you're walking. Oh, now you went up here. Ooh, crap. Ooh, I gotcha. This dog is so little. I can pick him up with one arm. Anyway, I'm just gonna be chilling here. But I hope you enjoyed our singing, our bell ringing. We only lasted an hour because I'm gonna tell you it's cold. It is cold. My feet were numb, wearing 2 pairs of socks, and my hands were numb. I felt like I had frostbite, but besides, it's good. It's good. It's fine. It's been tradition that we love doing as a family, so I'm glad we got to do it again all together. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Livmas Day 21, I think. Yes, Livmas Day 21. It's gonna be a fun one, so. Okay, bye-bye.